Hi guys. So I found out that I had like really bad insomnia and talked to my sister and she gave me some really cool recipe. I had blood work done and discovered I had anemia and this is the recipe I had. Spinach. I got kale. I got celery. Uh, I got parsley. And I have cucumber right here. And yeah, so I had blood work done and it confirmed that I was pretty anemic. My doctor called me on the phone and was like, hey, you kind of have to get up on your blood increase and stuff. It was a little scary, but anyhow, I talked to my sister. She's really good with smoothies and herbs and stuff that you can take to help your immunity. So she's really good about this stuff, and she gave me this really amazing recipe. And I got to tell you, there's been significant changes. She's really good. So I'm adding some grapes to this because I want to sweeten it a little bit. I haven't had my greens in a while, so I figured it might not be so sweet. And plus, I want to share the smoothie with Noah because he's like the only one who really drink the smoothie with me. Um, so yeah, I'm gonna have to start washing this soon. Yeah, I'm gonna wash the greens with the salt. You can also use vinegar if you want. I mean, it's all part of cleaning the vegetables or cleaning the greens. It's so green. It's so green. Look at that. Oh yeah. Now let's have a taste of it. Hold on. Don't pull it out. Here. Ew! Look at my face. Oh. He kind of likes it. Oh my gosh. Come in. Is it good? You want more? Mm-hmm. You like it? It actually likes it. Is it good? No, don't touch it, because I know you want to drag it out. Here. Wow, look at that. No, don't blow raspberries in there. So this is my greens. My blender blends this really good. It's actually really good. It's not bitter or too, tasting too greeny. I think it's because of the grapes, so. This is really good, actually. Very good. You want some, honey? Is it good? Look, Noah's having his greens. Can you see that? Yeah, you like it? Yeah, is it good? Mm-hmm.